What's good, phone nerds? Ian here again for Mega Mobile USA, and today I want to do a quick unboxing of the all-new ASUS Zenfone 8. Now you can pick this up in my store. I'll leave a link in the description, and if you'd be so kind as to subscribe to my channel, like the video, and drop a comment, I'd love to get the conversation started about this phone. It's pretty cool. Real quick rundown on the phone. It's got a 5.9-inch screen with 120 Hz refresh rate, a Snapdragon 888 processor, so it means it's the greatest, it's the latest. It's got a 4,000 milliamp hour battery, and the main camera is 64 megapixels. This is the dual SIM, factory unlocked, international, global, version. There's no flashing or anything done with it, and if you buy it from me, this is exactly what you're going to get. So without further ado, here's the phone box. Got ASUS Zenfone 8. Take the top off of it. Got a Defy Ordinary little package here. Got the SIM eject tool. I have a case in here. It seems a little bit rigid, which means I'm not gonna like it, and I don't think you will, but I guess if you have nothing else to put on it, then why not? Got some little books and stuff here, nothing too crazy. Got the phone, which I'm gonna fire up here real quick. And then we got this little insert. And inside we have the international charger. Doesn't fit our wall right. However, I include an adapter with every purchase. Slip it on the end of it. It works just fine. Is it pretty? No. Does it work? Yes. Then I got the USB-C to USB-C cable there. And then because I constantly get asked about it, I'm going to very quickly put my T-Mobile SIM card in the phone just to test it. I don't have an AT&T one, unfortunately. I accidentally just took a screenshot here. I'm gonna bypass all this setup, get to the main home screen, and then I am going to put my T-Mobile SIM card in. Let's see here, I'm gonna go ahead and do that while it's finishing up. Eject the SIM card at the bottom here. There's that. Let's see here. SIM card 1. This is a Mint Mobile or T-Mobile SIM card. Again, I'm going to keep skipping all this setup stuff. It's not necessary. Nobody needs to see it. So you can choose the theme, light or dark. Gestures. Nobody cares about all this. Everyone knows the gestures now by now, right? Real quick on the top of the phone, there is a headphone jack. There is also a microphone. On the side, you got the volume rocker. You have the off-colored power button, which I think is pretty cool. On the bottom, you have the speaker, USB-C. This is a microphone. And you have the SIM eject tool. On the back, this is like a matte black. It's plasticky. It's not glass. Then you have the two camera setup along with the flash. And now that I am back here at the home screen, one-handed mode, don't care, and then tap here to exit. Skip. Can we please get rid of all this garbage? Okay, so I do have service that is showing VoLTE for the phone. Let's see here if I can get any more information on that. Mobile network, T-Mobile, don't have data on, but VoLTE, let's see. So I'm gonna turn on 5G SA mode just to see if we get anything out of it. So far, it doesn't look like we're going to get switched over here. Preferred network type. It is on the 2, 3, 4, 5G, so it is going to work if it can here. Let me see if I can add an APN real quick to see if I can get it to jump to 5G for you guys. It might not. I honestly have no idea. And then I'm going to back out here and put mobile data on. This might not work out the way that I'd hoped for, but I do see 4G plus here, and I do see VoLTE as well. So I'm going to go ahead and give it a no on the 5G for T-Mobile. I am in a 5G area. I know that for a fact. So if I was, it would be going off right now. So just food for thought here. It may work in your area, but either way, I definitely got VoLTE. And again, this is the ASUS Zenfone 8. If you guys have any questions, just leave in the comments below, and I look forward to your business. Thank you.